Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies without butter. To start, you'll need to swap out the butter. Common substitutes include vegetable shortening, margarine, or even cream cheese for a richer flavor. Each option brings a slightly different texture, so experiment to find your favorite. Remember, the goal is to maintain moisture and structure without the dairy fat. This simple change opens up a world of possibilities for your baking. Once you've chosen your butter substitute, cream it with sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in your egg and vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Now, wrap your dough and chill it for at least 30 minutes. After chilling, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Roll out your dough to an even thickness, about 1/4 inch. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Place the cutouts on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Now for the fun part, decorating. Once your cookies are completely cool, you can use royal icing, a simple glaze, or even sprinkles to add your personal touch. Get creative with colors and designs. To keep your delicious butter-free sugar cookies fresh, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. They're perfect for parties, gifts, or just a sweet treat. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.